Horrid Henry goes shopping. Horrid Henry hated shopping. Correction, Horrid Henry loved shopping. He loved shopping for some gigantic TVs, computer games, comics, toys and sweets. Yet for some reason, Horrid Henry's parents never wanted to go shopping for good stuff. Oh no, they shopped for Hoover bags, toothpaste, spinach, socks. Why oh why did he have such horrible parents? When he was grown up, he'd never set foot in the supermarket. He'd only shop for TVs, computer games, and chocolates. "I'm not going shopping," he howled, kicking the pile of clothes as viciously as he could. "And you can't make me." "What's all this yelling?" demanded Dad. "Henry needs new trousers," said Mom grimly. Dad went pale. "Are you sure?" "Yes," said Mom. "Take a look at him." Dad looked at Henry. Henry scowled. "They're a little small, but not that bad," said Dad. "I can't breathe in these trousers," shrieked Henry. "That's why we're going shopping," said Mom. Mom and Henry went to Top Trousers. They went to Cool Clothes. They went to Stomp in the Swamp. Nothing had been right. "Too tight," moaned Henry. "Too itchy. Too big. Too small. Too ugly. Too red. Too uncomfortable." "We're going to Tip Top Togs," said Mom wearily. "The first thing that fits we're buying." Mom staggered into the children's department and grabbed a pair of pink and green tartan trousers in Henry's size. "Try these on," she ordered. "If they fit, we're having them." Horrid Henry gazed in horror at the horrendous trousers. "Those are girls' trousers," he screamed. "They are not," said Mom. "Are too," shrieked Henry. "I'm sick and tired of your excuses, Henry," said Mom. "Put them on or no pocket money for a year. I mean it."